Alright, hello guys, this is the third attempt of making this video, or fourth, I've lost count, honestly. And I'm hoping this time it actually saves. This again will be the last one, if not then I'll try to find another medium, but no videos. Or maybe another type of video. So, welcome back guys. We're finally in school, online. I'm hoping you guys had a fantastic break. You know, it was a week of spring break. Hopefully, everyone's safe and sound in their own houses or homes. I've been pretty busy myself. This is why this is the last. It's like a really last resort video, just because I know some of you guys had questions on how to do this, or basically a recap of how to do these questions. Okay, this is gonna help you guys with the first assignment. So, with further ado, let us get to the recap. Alright, so we start off with 3.5 moles in 2 liters. Let us write down the givens. The givens for us should be two numbers that are given to us, or rather, one is given, the other one's indirect. The one that is given to us is 3.5 liters. I meant 3.5 moles, mom bad. And we are going to change it into liters. If you do not remember the conversion factor for liters, it is that of 22.4 liters per mole. Alright, so let us write them down. Alright, so we do start off with 3.5 moles, and we do have also the conversion factor of 22.4 liters over 1 mole. So we start off always with a number that is given to us, then we put also the conversion factor afterwards. If you do not remember, we do start off with moles because we are given moles, alright? Alright, so because this one is a bit easier than the particle section, I am gonna kind of advance this one a little bit faster, giving you guys bit sections by big sections, okay? So it is gonna start off with 3.5 moles, which is the given for us. Then we do put the conversion factor of 22.4 liters over 1 mole. The reason why we use, or rather we put the 22.4 liters on top, is because the moles need to cancel off with each other. So hence, if we start off with moles, in the bottom we're going to have moles. If we start off with liters, then the bottom is going to be liters. That is just the trend. That is how we get rid of units, okay? So our answer should eventually lead up to a liters. So our answer is going to be, so our answer led up to be that of 78.4 liters, okay? Please remember to box the answers. I do need to see the math, guys. Try to find a way to let me know that that is your answer, okay? Now let us do the reciprocal, or the opposition of this question, basically finding the liters and changing them into moles. Alright, so the next question is going to be 4.8 moles into liters. I did write down the given. We do have two numbers, one that is direct, which is 4.8 moles, and the other one is indirect, being that of the 22.4 liters per mole. Again, that is just your simple conversion factor that you will need. Now, we do start off again with the same number, like I've mentioned many, many, many times. You start off with 4.8, okay? So let us start with the conversion, with a number that is given to us, and then we also put the conversion factor as well. Alright, so this time I put the moles on the bottom because, again, we do start off with moles, being that of 4.8 moles. So the moles will cancel off with a 1 mole at the bottom, and our 22.4 liters is going to be, or going to remain on top, because we want our answer into liters, okay? So with that, the answer is going to be, the answer was given to us as 107 liters, okay? I did round off, or rather it was supposed to be 108 liters, just because of that 0.5, but don't worry too much about the sig figs, just try to get it close as possible. I'll still mark it right, okay? Alright, so the next part is going to be converting moles into particles, and particles into moles. Okay, the question that I do have here is going to be moles into particles. I have already started off with the givens. So the question reads, or rather the command tells us to convert 4.3 moles into particles. I did write the two numbers that we need. One is directly, which is the number that is given to us, which is 4.3 moles. And the other number is indirect. It's in your diagram. You will need Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles per mole. So let us start off with, again, it's the same thing as a liter conversion into mole. You start off with a number that is given to you directly, which is 4.3 moles. Alright, so we did the conversion factor together. In I put 4.3 moles in the beginning because that's the number that is given to me first. So we start off with the number that is given, which is 4.3 moles. Then we do times and then the line, which is the dimensional analysis portion or the conversion factor, uh, where it goes basically. And the conversion factor is going to be our 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power in particles divided by moles. So we do start off with moles, so in the bottom we will put moles as well. So hence the moles will cancel off each other, so moles and mole, leaving our answer in particles. And the answer should be, so our answer is going to be that of 2.6 times 10 to the 24th particles. I did just put the word part with a dot at the end, just to basically finish it off. But it is going to be 2.6 times 10 to the 24th particles, okay? Now let us do the reciprocal question, or basically what happens if they give us particles and we need to convert that into moles. Alright, so the question reads 24.3 particles into moles. Do the conversion. Let us do it together. The two given is that of 24.3 particles, and obviously it is going to be again Avogadro's number per mole. So we start off again with a number that is given to us, then we input the conversion factor that follows after that. Alright, so we have the conversion factor now with the number that is given to us at the beginning, so it is going to be 24.3, which is the number given to you directly. Then we do put particles in the bottom as well, so they could cancel off each other. So the particles do cancel off as such, leaving you your answer in mole, and our answer should be. So our answer led us to be that of 4.04 times 10 to the negative 23rd mole. Alright, with this, we're basically done. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Or even that of how to input the Avogadro's number into your cell phones, just hit me up with a comment and I'll answer it right away. Thank you.